Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are checking out the top 9 best electric cars under rupees 15 lakh in India. For each car, I'll tell you the starting price, battery size, real world range, boot space, ground clearance and how powerful it is and the features that actually matter. So stick around till the end because my number 1 pick might surprise you. So let's get started. At number 9 we have MG Comet EV. This thing is tiny and honestly that's the whole point. It's built for crazy city traffic. Its starting price is rupees 7.50 lakh with battery pack of 17.3 kilowatt hour. Its range is 230 kilometer, power 41 bhp, boot space around 350 liters and ground clearance of 165 mm. Features are dual digital screens that looks pretty premium. You can park this anywhere, seriously anywhere. Running cost is basically nothing. If your daily drive is just home, office, mall and back, the Comet EV makes a lot of sense. At number 8 we have Tata Tiago EV. If you're new to EVs and want something familiar, this is probably the safest bet in India right now. Its starting price is rupees 6.99 lakh with battery options of 19.2 kilowatt hour and 24 kilowatt hour. Its claimed range is 226 to 285 kilometer, power up to 60.34 bhp, boot space 240 liters, ground clearance 170 mm. With features like it supports fast charging so you are not stuck for hours, automatic climate control for comfort and solid safety package from Tata. For first time EV buyers, the Tata Tiago just ticks all the boxes. At number 7, we have Tata Express T EV. You have probably seen this one as a fleet car, but now it's available for private buyers too, and it's all about practicality. Its starting price is rupees 13.04 lakh with the battery pack of 32 kilowatt hour with claimed range of 391 kilometer, power 35.79 bhp, boot space 293 liters with ground clearance of 170 mm. Features included are super spacious cabin, fast charging support, Tata's proven EV battery tech. If you drive a lot and want the lowest running cost possible, this is worth a look. Now number 6 is Tata Tigor EV. Its starting price is rupees 12.49 lakh with the battery pack of 26 kilowatt hour with claimed range of 315 kilometer with power up to 74.7 bhp, boot space 316 liter, ground clearance 172 mm. For a small family that wants sedan comfort, the Tigor EV is hard to beat. At number 5, we have Citroën E-C3. If you have ever been in Citroën, you know they nail comfort. This EV is no different. Its starting price is rupees 11.99 lakh with the battery pack of 29.2 kilowatt hour, claimed range 320 kilometer, power 56.22 bhp, boot space 315 liter, ground clearance 170 mm. Features included are suspension that just glides over bad roads, cabin feels airy and spacious, looks like a mini SUV, fast charging support. If you hate stiff rides and just want comfort, test drive this one. At number 4, we have Mahindra XUV 3XO EV. This one just launched and honestly, it is the most exciting EV here if you like performance. With starting price of rupees 13.89 lakh with the claimed range of 456 km ARAI, battery pack 39.4 kilowatt hour, boot space 364 liter, ground clearance 390 mm, power 147.51 bhp. Features included are panoramic sunroof, ADAS level 2 safety tech, dual screen setup looks straight out of a premium car. It's the fastest EV on this list. Now at number 3 we have MG Windsor EV. MG calls this CUV and its starting price is rupees 13.49 lakh with the battery options of 38 kilowatt hour and 52.9 kilowatt hour. Its range is up to 449 kilometer, power is 134 bhp, Boot space 579 liter. Ground clearance 186 mm. Features included are massive 15.6-inch touchscreen, rear seat recline to 135 degrees, premium interior material, and a proper family space. If you want the most space and comfort for your family, Windsor EV is tough to beat. At number 2, we have Tata Punch EV. This car changed the game. It gave us SUV looks and premium features with the starting price of Rs 9.69 lakh with battery options of 30 kWh and 35 kWh. Its range is up to 421 km, power up to 120.69 bhp, boot space 366 liters, ground clearance 195 mm. With the features included as 360-degree camera in this segment is crazy, ventilated front seats, full digital instrument cluster, 5-star global NCAP safety. Punch EV is the best value for money EV SUV right now. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tata Nexon EV. This is the OG, the car that made EVs the mainstream in India. And after the 2026 update, it's still the most complete package with the starting price of Rs 12.49 lakh with the battery options of 30 kWh and 45 kWh. Its range is up to 489 km with power up to 142 bhp, boot space 350 liter, ground clearance 205 mm. Features included are fast charging, cabin feels premium and well put together. Performance is strong in all modes. 5-star Bharat NCAP safety rating. If you want one EV that does everything well, range, safety, features, ground clearance, Nexon EV is still the king under 15 lakh. So these are the top 9 best electric cars under 15 lakh in India. Now tell me in the comment section that which one would you buy, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who is planning to buy an EV and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.